How to create Netflix account in Android. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create Netflix account in Android. So in order to create an account on Netflix, all you have to do is just go ahead and open up a Play Store first thing for the installation of your app. So type in Netflix on the search box and make sure to install the app. After that, you need to go ahead and tap on the open button once the application is completely installed. So as you can see, in my case, I've already installed it. Now tap on the get started button located right at the bottom. Now then, to begin with, you have to type in the password and click on get started button. Next page is going to ask you to send the verification code, so type in the one. So after you've done that, it's going to take you to the other field where you have to go and set a password, and accordingly you'll be asked to select a premium plan as well. And once you're done selecting a premium plan, then it's going to direct you to the payment sort page where you can go ahead and select debit card, MasterCard or Visa whatsoever, or a PayPal or any other Google Pay whatsoever, and then you have to type in the following information that has been asked. As soon as you've done that, you'll be taken to the other page where it's gonna go through the terms and condition. So till then you have to wait patiently until you get further notified. That's basically how you can create your Netflix account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.